Hello and welcome, Zen Programmer here. Today, we're going to explore Einstein Prediction Builder, an AI-powered tool by Salesforce that helps businesses make smarter decisions. With the rise of data and technology, this tool allows you to predict future outcomes based on your past data, all without needing an advanced background in coding or data science. So, let's start with the basics. Einstein Prediction Builder is an AI tool from Salesforce. It helps businesses create predictive models based on historical data. What does this mean? Essentially, the tool looks at your past data, things like customer behavior or sales trends, and makes predictions about what could happen in the future. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. It's designed to be user-friendly, so anyone in your business can use it, from sales teams to marketing, without needing to code or hire a data scientist. Now, let's look at how it actually works. It's pretty straightforward. 1. Goal setting. First, you tell the tool what you want to predict. Do you want to know which products will sell better next month? Or maybe you want to predict customer churn? The goal is completely up to you. 2. Data selection. Then, Einstein. Prediction Builder selects the relevant data it needs, like past sales numbers or customer interaction data. 3. Parameter setting. You can also set how accurate or specific you want your predictions to be. This helps fine-tune the results. 4. Analysis and prediction. The tool uses machine learning to analyze all of the data and generate predictions. 5. Integration and action. Finally, these predictions can be integrated into your day-to-day operations so you can make smarter data-driven decisions. Here are some of the top features of Einstein Prediction Builder that make it stand out. 1. Point-and-click interface. It's super easy to use. No coding is required. Just point and click, and you're on your way to creating predictive models. 2. Pre-built templates. It comes with ready-made templates to help guide you through the process. Think of these as helpful starting points that you can customize for your business needs. 3. Automated feature engineering. The tool also automatically identifies which data points are most important for your predictions, so you don't have to spend hours sifting through data. 4. Automated model training. Once your data is set up, the tool will train itself using your historical data, testing, and refining the models until they're ready. Einstein Prediction Builder comes with big benefits. 1. Improved sales forecasting. By predicting which products will be in demand, you can allocate resources more effectively, making sure you don't run out of stock or overstock. 2. Reduced customer churn. The tool helps you identify which customers might leave, so you can take action to keep them. 3. Enhanced cross-selling upselling. It can suggest complementary products, helping you increase revenue by offering the right product at the right time. 4. Data-driven decision-making. The tool provides real-time insights that help guide your business strategy, ensuring decisions are based on facts, not guesses. Einstein Prediction Builder is used across multiple industries. Here are a few real-world use cases. Sales and marketing. It helps identify which leads are more likely to convert, forecast sales more accurately, and recommend the next best steps for your sales team. Customer service. You can predict how long it'll take to resolve cases and identify high-risk issues before they become bigger problems. Operations and finance. It can help manage inventory by predicting demand, detect fraud by analyzing behavior, and predict payment risks to reduce financial issues. The tool also has powerful use cases in other departments. Human resources. You can predict employee turnover and identify top talent that could be nurtured for leadership positions. Product development. It helps forecast demand for new products, ensuring you're making what your customers want before they even ask for it. Let's talk about even more extended benefits. Enhanced customer insights. You gain a deeper understanding of your customers, what they like, need, and what they might do next. Seamless integration. It works smoothly with Salesforce, so you can use your existing data without complex setup or migration. Continuous learning. The tool improves over time as it learns from new data, so your predictions get more accurate as your business grows. Security. The tool meets top security standards, ensuring your business data is protected at all times. Einstein Prediction Builder is used in various industries. Here are more examples. Retail. It predicts demand for products, helping businesses stock the right amount and optimize sales. Healthcare predicts patient no-shows, helping manage schedules better, and identifies at-risk patients for proactive care. Education helps identify students at risk of dropping out and those who deserve scholarships based on performance. Manufacturing. It predicts when equipment might fail and forecasts what products need to be made based on market trends. Einstein Prediction Builder is more than just a tool. It's a strategic partner in helping your business turn data into valuable insights. By predicting future outcomes, it allows you to make informed decisions that will improve your operations and boost customer satisfaction. For seamless deployment and maximum impact, consulting with a Salesforce expert is highly recommended. Thank you for your time. Let's unlock the power of predictive analytics and drive success in your business.